Hey guys, so I have here my Frigidaire dehumidifier and that shows me the F0 error code and it just doesn't work anymore. And in this video I want to show you how to get a free replacement from Frigidaire as long as your device is still under warranty. And for this unit, for example, the warranty phase for the refrigerant system is 5 years. And for me that time was just about to expire. Now in a previous video I was explaining how to clean off the sensor, which when dirty also creates the same F0 error code. And while I was doing that I already noticed a whole lot of rust on all of the metal parts inside of the dehumidifier. Now over time the metal would eventually rust through completely and then we have a hole in the metal, and at this point the refrigerant can just escape and the dehumidifier will not work anymore at all, and also at this point throw the F0 error code. Now in order to check if there may be a leak in your dehumidifier, you don't necessarily have to open up the whole unit. Just by looking into the tank here, into the water tank of the unit, you can see if there's a whole lot of rusty and brown and reddish sediment in there. So if you do have that, then it is very likely that the unit has rusted through and all the refrigerant has escaped already. Okay, so at this point I contacted Frigidaire to ask for a replacement, and the easiest way to do that is through the live chat on their website. So as this works right now, there is a live chat button here on the far right side. We just click on that and they're asking us to type in all kinds of contact information as well as the serial number of our dehumidifier. And eventually you're going to chat with a live person and you're going to explain to them what you experience with your dehumidifier, and they're going to check if your dehumidifier is still under warranty, and they're all going to ask you all kinds of questions, and eventually they're going to agree that you do get a replacement. And at this point they're going to send you an email with a document, with a Word document. They ask you to fill that out, follow a whole bunch of instructions, and it starts out with that they ask you to cut the cord to the dehumidifier, and then they want you to take a picture of the cord, the cut cord, and the dehumidifier itself. And then they also want you to take off the label here with the serial number that is on the side of the dehumidifier. You have to peel that off, and then you're supposed to stick that or glue that onto that form that they've sent you. So you have to print out this form and then you stick this on there. Then they also want you to take a picture of the error code itself, so you can use your phone to take a picture of that. And then the last thing is you need a proof of purchase. So for me, I ordered this dehumidifier from Amazon, so I still had that proof of purchase online, so I could just go on the website of Amazon and then I just took a screenshot of that page, which was enough as a proof of purchase. And then the last step, of course, is to send those 4 items back to Frigidaire. So I had the filled out form that they first sent me, then I had the proof of purchase from Amazon, then the picture of the cut cord, as well as the picture of the F0 error code. And you can send all those items in either by mail or by email. By email is of course much faster, and also I find that a lot easier. And the only response that I got from Frigidaire was just an automated email response, so just letting me know that they received the email with all the documents that I sent them. But then eventually 10 days later there was suddenly just a brand new dehumidifier sitting on my doorstep, and that is all I've ever heard from them. But now I do have a brand new functioning dehumidifier, and I hope you can do the same thing what I described to you here in this video. And if you have any more questions about this process, then please leave a message below.